In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram post using Canva. This is going to be a very basic but important tutorial for those that are new to Canva and want to post to Instagram. So what you want to do is go to canva.com and then go to this search box here and type in Instagram. It's then going to give you the options on what Instagram post you can make. So if you go to suggested templates, click see all, it's then going to give you some ideas and templates that you can design. Now, it is going to list in here 693,000 templates. Some of these are going to be story templates. Some of these are going to be Instagram posts. What we can do is go to all filters. And if you scroll down these, you can go ahead and choose different subjects, different topics, free, different colors and things like that. Also, if we go to social media, we can go to Instagram posts, click apply, and here we can get all of the templates which are only Instagram posts. So that's shortened it down a little bit. So now what we can do is choose any of these Instagram posts and edit them. Some of these are going to be pro, some of these are going to be free. So if you go back to all filters and scroll all the way down, we can just select the free ones and then apply. And you'll see it will go from 400,000 to 74,000. So these all should be free. So now we can go ahead and change these. So you want to decide, do you want an aesthetic looking post? Do you want a more like corporate modern post? What do you want to go for? What is your brand saying? What is your brand's purpose? For the video though, I'll just choose a random one. We'll go with this one here. We can click on it and then we can go customize this template, and now we can edit everything about this post. So here we've got like a little attention board. We've got a blue background with some text. Now we can edit everything here. So what I'm going to do first is edit the background. So if you click on the background, you can see we can change the color if we wanted to. So let's say pink. But if you didn't want to change the color, you could add your own image to the background. So if you go to uploads, you can then upload files from your computer. You can see here are the files that I've already uploaded. You just go upload files and then obviously you can upload it. I'm just going to drag on a file that I've already uploaded like this. And there you go, you've now added this file. Now notice how it doesn't quite match the theme. We want to then right click on it and we can actually send this if we go to layer to the back, so send to back, and you can see now it's actually acting as a background and it's behind all of these layers. Okay, so now we're going to change some text here. So attention, maybe I want to say here, subscribe for free how-to videos. There we go, so that looks okay. Maybe I also want to go ahead and add an element. So if we go to elements in the corner, we can search for any elements. So say I want to search for YouTube. We can then go and enter in graphics or photos or all of these different elements here. So here are all of the graphics, photos for YouTube. You've got different shapes. Obviously YouTube is not going to bring up any shapes. But if we go to graphics here, we'll just add a graphic. I'll add this subscribe button. So we can then drag this subscribe text anywhere. I'll just drag it here. Okay, so now we've got a funny looking subscribe button added, and you can add any elements here. You can add text with the text tool. If you go to the left, you just want to go through these and see what's going to be helpful for you. Maybe you want to draw something for some reason. I don't know. But once you've created your post, you can then go to share in the top right hand corner. You can then click download, and you want to download it as a PNG file. This is going to be good for Instagram. And obviously you see this animation. This is not going to appear on a PNG file, but it is what it is. Just don't add any moving elements. Then you can click on download. It's then going to download your image. Once you've got your image downloaded here, you can then open it. And there you can see, here it is. And we can now go ahead and upload this to Instagram. So I hope that quick video helped you out. Let me know if you've got any questions in the comment section below.